Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to display the date on your Casioak. So all you need to do is to press the start button, and as you can see, our digital display has now switched to the date, only displaying us the seconds. You will be able to read the correct time on the analog display. Then we are going to have the date, and also the day of the week is going to be shown here. If I press the start button once again, we are going to arrive once again at the time. So we are going to also have the digital time displayed. In case these two do not match, so the digital time does not match the analog time or the date is shown incorrectly, you need to do the hand alignment for your Casioak. I have a full guide on how to do that. Also a full guide on all the functions and features of the Casioak, link in the description box below guys, so make sure to check it out in case you want to know how to set everything, how to use the world time function, the chrono, the alarm, and so on. So that was the quick video guys, I hope you enjoyed. If you want to watch even more videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, make sure to be subscribed, leave a comment, give it a thumbs up, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.